Hi, I'm Alex. I'm here to teach you guys how to install RAM. I'm actually a technician in this company for ReuseTech. So here we have a Dell Optiplex 9010 computer. So we're going to be installing RAM onto this specific model. Now, every computer is different in terms of how to install RAM, like the positions, the things you have to take off, stuff like that. But the overall installation of RAM is pretty much the exact same. So for this model, again, the Optiplex 9010 from Dell, you just open up this latch right here. And then the RAM slots are going to be under these two things, which is this is the DVD drive, and this is the hard drive cage and caddy. So you just remove the DVD drive like this, just pull on the little tab here. And then to remove the cage with the caddy, there's a little mechanism down here that Dell implemented where you just move the switch like that to the left, and then to lock it, just move it back to the right, but to the left, it unlocks it, lift it up. And you can disconnect the hard drive cables if you want, but you don't have to because this is where the RAM goes. Now, in older models of computers, you have to find the section where it says DIMM1. But in newer models, like for i-Series stuff, Core i3, Core i5, Core i7, all those stuff, it doesn't really matter. But for safety purposes, I guess you could say, in terms to make the computer work, let's just put it into DIMM1. So if you look here, Dell actually labels it for you guys right here, where it says DIMM3, DIMM1, DIMM4, DIMM2, stuff like that. Some other motherboards or companies may not do that, but it's kind of easy to guess which one is DIMM1. So right here, this black one next to the white, the second section over here, this black one right here is DIMM1. So you can see I took out the levers right here. So the levers are going to be normally like this, like closed up. All you gotta do is just lift them back and back like that. And then all you gotta do is just install RAM to the right position. So you see this little notch right here? You gotta follow that notch, the same notch as here. This is super simple to know because you see here it's shorter and here it's longer. So you match it up with here. This way's shorter, this way's longer. So then all you gotta do is fit it down and push down. You'll hear it clicking, that's totally fine. You might have to apply a little pressure, that's totally cool. As long as you're not just flexing or cracking the RAM. Just push all the way down to hear a click. Verify that the little mechanisms are actually in place with the RAM. And that's pretty much it. That's how you install RAM. So then now to put it back together, you pretty much just do everything in reverse. So you just put the cage like this. There's little dots right here for this model specifically. You match it up there. And then you just push down. With a little mechanism over here, all you gotta do is move this to the right. And then you just put the DVD drive back on like so. Move it forward, it clicks in. You put the door back on. That's it.